China is working toward replacing walk-through metal detectors for the use of millimeter wave scanners at airports in order to make the safety procedures more efficient and less intrusive. The Civil Aviation Administration of China issued testing standards to start using the whole-body imaging device across the board, Xinhua news agency reported. The Aviation Authority has trialed the scanner at international airports in Beijing, Shanghai, Qingdao and Nanjing since last August. The millimeter wave scanner can detect metal and non-metal objects hidden under passengers' clothes without touching them. The machine sends a signal that bounces off the skin and produces an image of the foreign object to a screen. The device transmits less than a fraction of the amount of a mobile phone's radiation and thus is generally harmless to people.